Some students told me to give the written material also in relation to Fayol's principles of management. So I am providing the written material. Principles of management. The conceptual framework of management is based on certain well-tested principles of management. These principles are very helpful for a manager to run an organization effectively. In the light of these principles, a manager approaches his problems systematically in a methodological and scientific way. A brief description of Fayol's principles of management is presented here. First, division of work. Division of work leads to specialization in work, which brings higher productivity and better results with the same effort. Every employee in the organization works in easy and satisfactory manner due to this division of work. Authority and responsibility. Authority is that right and power of a superior person, due to which he gives instructions and orders to his subordinates. Responsibility is the duty of an employee which is expected from him. It is expressed in terms of functions. It is done to achieve objectives of an organization. Discipline. Fayol says that discipline is an obedience by the subordinates and justice by the leaders. It is application, energy, and outward marks of respect by the employees. Unity of command. Dual command cannot bring significant result. One subordinate should receive orders only from his one superior person. If he receives order from the persons more than one, then he cannot perform his task. Unity of direction. Unity of direction means one unit and one plan of a group works in different directions, then significant results cannot be achieved. Subordination of individual interest to general interest. Every employee and management should be faithful to the common interest of the organization. If there is any dispute or conflict between personal interest and general interest of the organization, then they should sacrifice their personal interest for the benefits of the organization. Next, remuneration of personnel in an organization. Remuneration is the total amount an employee receives for performing a job. Remuneration includes not only base salary but all other forms of financial compensation an employee receives at the executive level. Remuneration may include a combination of salary, stock shares, bonuses, and other financial compensations. Centralization in an organization. Centralization refers to setup in which the decision-making powers are concentrated in a few leaders. At the top of the organizational structure, decisions are made at the top and communicated to lower level managers for implementation. Scalar chain. The line of authority goes from superior person to lower level in the organization. Every subordinate is accountable to his superior person for his work or job. Order. Everything should be in the right place. Right man should be in the right place. There should be a system. Every work should be done in right order. Equity. Subordinates by the superior persons should be treated in civilized manner. Stability of tenure and personnel. No employee should be removed within short period of time. Job security should be there and time is required for person to do work in better way. Initiative. Decision making stability should be in the employees for the execution of the plans. Esprit de corps. Union is a strength. Unity among the staff can be accomplished through proper communication and coordination. These flexible principles given by Fayol are very helpful to run an organization. I think that this written material will be useful to them. Okay, bye. Thank you.